Hi friends, here is a bonus video about how to import layers from another file. So this is it's basically like referencing or linking. It's changed in the last couple iterations of Vectorworks. So if you've done this in the past, it's not the same as it used to be, but it is actually really useful. So this is if you are, for example, the lighting designer and you want to bring in your set designer's drafting and have it link or reference back to that set designer's file. This is how you do that, okay? So I actually did it already. Let me just delete this layer and I will do it again. Okay, so let's do it again. So here I am in my lighting template file, and from when I finished that lighting assignment a while ago, and I've designed a set for a final project for one of our students, and so I have this Adrian's Mex Theater final set design, and I want to bring it into my existing rep light plot project, okay? So, and it's gonna reference. So if I make changes here, it'll update here, basically is the idea there. So this is done using what's called a design layer viewport. So if you go into View, Create Viewport, we are going to be creating a different kind of viewport than we have before. So what you'll do is in this Create on Layer, you're gonna have it make a new design layer. I'm calling it Scenery Reference. Just to differentiate from other things. Edit properties after creation, okay. I wanna make sure, because it's putting in this new layer on top of my existing layers, I wanna make sure I set this elevation back down to 0. But other than that, all of that stuff is good. Okay, so now that I've done that, this source option will open up for you. So you can now select source and choose an external document, right? And I have it as an existing reference because I've done it once before, but if you click on this choose, right, then you can go navigate in your computer and select the file that has the set design in it. Click on that, and then you'll choose that file, okay? So that points the reference to that file. You click OK. After you've done that, you can come in here to layers, and now you can choose the layers that you want to bring in from that referenced file, right? So this referenced file is the same basic layer names because it was the same template built on, but these are only the ones that are in the set design that I need, right? So like I don't need the theater floor plan or the seating because it's already off the same template, it's already in the same location. I just need the soft goods and the scenery layers, although it's all technically on the scenery layer. Let's just act like I need both of those. And I click OK. So now I'm creating a new reference file with this viewport taken from that previous file. And I've selected which layers come in that viewport. I click OK, and now I have a 3-dimensional viewport which has brought in this whole set and is referencing back now to that previous project, okay? So now when I go into OpenGL, for example, we'll see the whole 3D model. Is that the one? No, it's all too small of a screen. Dot, 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 dot. Where's OpenGL? It's too small of a screen, yo. There we go. Yep, there's that set that we designed, okay? As a 3D viewport, which is very helpful. It's useful, right? And you're actually seeing the lights shining on it and everything. Isn't that cute? So that is the process for referencing, right? And you will notice then that in this reference tab, you will see that Mex Theater file. If you update that, so if I make a change over here and then I update it here, right, then that will allow me to update that, right? It'll copy and pull all of those changes in. You can also come in and choose a different source file. So if your set designer sends you an updated drawing, you should be able to just browse and choose a new source file and have it update that as well, relative to your existing drawing, I believe. So there you go. There you have it. How to pull in a 3D viewport as a reference layer, as a design layer in your project. And I'm going to stack it down here. Okay. I hope this helps, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.